Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you can't access your GCC command from your terminal. GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you're getting this error message, or G++ if you write this and again you're getting the same error. So these are the C++ compilers while you compile your applications. If you're getting this error message, then you need to simply first of all download the C++ compiler. I'm assuming that you have installed it, but if you haven't installed it, just visit this website. Just type Google as the very first website which comes right here. Simply go to this website and download the C++ compiler. This is actually the exe file will come right here. Simple step install process will be there. You need to simply click next, and then it will install this. But after installing, if you are getting this error message still you can't access inside your terminal, so then I will show you. So by default it's stored in the C directory, and it will create a folder my. This is actually the folder it will create. So so my system is 64-bit Windows machine. So if you are using 32-bit, then just make sure that you select your operating system correctly. So then there will be a folder called as just select here min gw32 min gw64. So if you are using 32-bit, then you will enter into this folder. Mine is 64-bit, so I will go to this folder and just open the bin directory, and here you will see all the executables which will be present. So if you try to type the same command gcc, you will see the command will perfectly work, or g++, then also the command will work. So what we need to do, you just need to right click, copy this entire location and just open the environment variable and just open the system path variable. Add this complete path here and just restart the terminal. After making these changes, just type the same command g++ gcc. So you will see now you'll be able to use the C++ compiler from the terminal very easily. Just follow the step-by-step process. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.